Right, third game, Lions to 15. Hang on. Good pass. Woo! Good passes, both of you. Nice pass, Talia. Good push, Grace. Let's go. Get us 5-6-0 here. Or just over. Tango! Trouble in River City. You remember Tango from the cartoon? Let's go, 8-4. Hot soup. Get a block, Crew. Nice, G. Oh, boy. Oh, call it. Touchy. Let's go, side out to 3, girls. Focus. Nice, Domo. Good push. Oh, yeah! How many is that, 4? Out. Way to smoke it, Talia. Stassi. Shit. Way to smoke it, someone not named Mary. These ingenious names are killing me. Woo! Hey, knuckleballer, Phil Necro. Good job, Crew. Keep smiling, baby. Got another one. Get one. Get up. Doghouse. That's a little too short. Hey, timeout in LaGrange. First to the change, Grace. Hold the ball in the change. Nice swing. She can't handle it. Down ball. Use it here. Put one on her. Put one on her mitts. Yeah. Oh, Smogolino. No, she wasn't up. It was her hand. She didn't jump. Can she not put a hand up? Because she's back row. Because she's a back row setter, but she didn't jump. She just put her hand up. They're going, let's go. Oh! You can't play at the back wall. This ain't Fenway Park. Let's go, just drop it in, Allie. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God. That's an ACL. There you go. Let's go, girls. Separate here. Go early on your blocks, girls. Nice up. Up her head. Go. Reset. Let's go. Get up, Nicole. Go ahead. Nice place. Woo! Swing harder. Good job, Nicole. Good job, Crew. It's off. Let's go, May. There you go. Nice pass, Gracie. Yeah. Boom, boom, boom. 8-4. Nice dive. granola bars this morning. Hold the ball to 15 down. Drop an ace in right here. Ace. Get a block.
Go ahead.
Kill it. Boom. Timing play. She made timeout. Lions Jr. Let's go, Murray. Good spot. Nice, guys. Nice, Crew. Under control. Nice, Nicole. Outside. You have to see it. Coach is coaching. Getting a little hot at Big Daddy. Hold it to 15, Devin. Nice swing. Oh! Murray! There's another timeout in the bag.
Go, Devin.
Good spot. Oh! Murray! Coach is going to have below a basket. Get another one. Get another one. Get another one. Oh, double hit. Crew! Get a block, Grace. No, that's way too low. That's about 3 feet too low. Let's go, Murray. Nice, Dev. That's gonna be trouble.
Yeah!